Marketing messages that resonate. Creating a detailed customer avatar helps you tailor your product development, your branding, and your marketing strategy. It's about speaking directly to the heart of your ideal customer. Launching with an MVP minimizes risk, brings and target new markets, but resist the urge to spread yourself. Today's digital landscape allows you to focus your marketing efforts. Platforms like Facebook and Google Ads provide granular targeting options. Imagine you're selling organic baby food. You can target new parents and expectant mothers. Influencer power, amplifying your reach. Influencer marketing is a force to be reckoned with. Imagine your product endorsed by a trusted authority. That's the power of influencer marketing. Leverage their credibility to connect with your audience. Identify influencers who align with your brand values. Propose a collaboration. Send them free samples, offer an affiliate partnership, or collaborate on sponsored content. Find influencers who genuinely believe in your product. Influencer marketing builds brand awareness, drives traffic, and generates sales. Tap into trusted voices to amplify your message. The marathon mindset. Embracing the journey. Building $1 million business isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be hurdles and moments when you question everything, but it's during these times that your resilience is tested. Success requires more than just a great idea. It demands an unwavering belief in your vision. Embrace the journey, celebrate the small wins. Data-driven growth. Tracking, analyzing, adapting. In the world of online business, data is your compass. It tells you what's working, what's not, and where to steer your ship next. Track key metrics, analyze the data, and make informed decisions. Don't rely on gut feeling. Use data to guide your marketing, product development, and customer service. Stay attuned to the data, adapt your strategies, and ensure long-term success. Embrace continuous learning and data-driven decision-making. The 12-month blueprint, your roadmap to success. Daniel Moran's 12 months to 1 million is a blueprint for building a sustainable and profitable online business. It's a step-by-step guide that provides a clear roadmap to success. From identifying your niche to launching your product and scaling your operations. Focus on a specific niche, create a product that solves a real problem, build a loyal following, and use data-driven strategies to grow your business. Take action.